It might be a little tougher to get a mortgage thanks to new rules imposed by the federal government. Kim O'Grady is a local sales representative with Chestnut Park Real Estate. She says she can appreciate the government's desire to stabilize the housing market, but the new rules may make it harder for home buyers in a market that has already been difficult.
We faced low inventory levels this year. We've seen a rise in multiple offers, so buyers have had to work with that. Now with these new rules, they're going to have that on their plate as well. So what they thought they could originally afford is going to change.
The new rules comes down to a stress test for all insured mortgage applications, which basically means banks and mortgage brokers will have to determine if a potential buyer can afford to pay their loans if mortgage rates go up. For example, a home buyer with an income of $100,000 who has saved $40,000 for a down payment would have been able to afford a $665,000 home before the new rules took effect. Now, though, that same family would only be able to afford a $505,000 home instead. This test is mandatory now for potential buyers who are putting down less than 20% down payment. O'Grady says this will affect first-time home buyers the most.
Definitely with the income levels in Muskoka, it is going to impact, and unfortunately the first-time home buyers will need to, this is really when it comes into play that they're going to have to really seek expert advice. So they might have to rent for an extended period of time, or try to save for a larger down payment, or hope for a rise in their income. So these are all things that we'll have to have these discussions with our clients.
With the new rules just coming into effect, O'Grady says right now it's too early to tell how the market will change in Muskoka.
So really, we'll see this month what happens. But yeah, it's. I like to remain optimistic, but it really is going to be about educating our clients and still trying to find the best property for them that they will be able to afford.
Perfect.